Hello friends, today I'm going to solve LeetCode problem number 1470, shuffle the array. So in this problem we are given an array nums and it consists of 2 times n number of elements, that is 2n number of elements in this given form. So basically what we need to return is an arrangement of arrays such that x1 y1 is then followed by x2 y2 and so on. So let's look at this example and get more clear about this problem. So the value of n is equals to 3, which means that these are the first 3 numbers and the second 3 numbers, and what we need to do is we need to rearrange such that the first element is 2 itself, then the second element is this value that is equals to 3, which would be equals to, if 2 is at index 0 and this is at index 3, right? So the next element is the value at index I plus 3, that is the value of n. So if this is index I, then I which is equals to 0, 0 plus 3, the value of n, 3 is equals to 3, so we got our value 3. Next index I is equals to 1, so we will push our value 5, and then I plus 3 is equals to 4. At index 4 we have the value 4, so we push 4, and the next value is at index 2, which is 1, so 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, and at index 5 we have the value 7, so we push the value 7, and then this is what we get. So this is our final result. So basically all we have to do is push the value at index I and the value at index I plus n. That's all. Now let's solve this problem. So for this we are going to need an array to store our result and iterate from I to I less than n, I plus plus. We are only going to iterate over n, and then push to our array the value at integer index I and index I plus n, and finally return our result. Now let's run our code. Let's submit this. Great. So the time complexity of this solution is O of n, since we are iterating over this nums array, and the space complexity is since we are creating a new array to store our results, so based on the new array that would be of size O of that would depend on the value of n, right? So that would be of size 2n. So basically its space complexity is O of n.